Morning folks, Richie from Driftomaniacs here. I'm out with the indomitable Traxxas Unlimited Desert Racer. Anyway, in this session I've put the camera on the front to see if we get some good onboard footage. So by now, fingers crossed, you will be watching that good footage. All has not gone well at the back here. I've had 30 seconds away from finishing the session, and I had a rather bad end to the session at the back, and I've broken one of the trailing arms. But Steve O'D from 313 gave me a link to some aluminium ones, so I put one of those on order. Certainly, need to be quick to catch that tail actually. Not noticing that making an awful difference. Loving these bumpy stuff here though. Ooh. Oh. Sun always shines on the righteous. Burnout time. There's throttle and there's maybe a bit too much throttle. So it looks a big area, like something like this, which you can just launch on. On. Ooh, oh dear. And that does not look good. Fortunately, Steve O'D from the 313 made sure I ordered a pair of aluminium ones of these, which should be here within the next couple of days. So I'm feeling that definitely should be attached to something like that. The awesome Traxxas UDR. Few nose heavy landings on there, taking a little bit of a beating around the place, but not too bad. Put up with plenty of abuse on this bashing session. Anyway, you want to see more of this car, more great SCs like it this summer? Then please hit that subscribe button and the little notifications button next to it. Thanks for watching.
you liked this video? If you did, please click on the circle image to subscribe. And if you hit subscribe, then don't forget to hit that little notifications bell next to it.